Hello traders, you are welcome to the Elliott Wave Price Action course. This is going to be your complete guide to wave trading for beginners. Okay, so have you ever wondered how traders predict market movements with accuracy? The secret lies in understanding the powerful Elliott Wave Theory. This method is one of the most effective ways to understand price action, and in this course we are going to break it down step by step, making it easy for you to master. So if you are ready to start your journey, your trading journey, with a simple yet powerful tool, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more tips and strategies. First things first, what exactly is the Elliott Wave Theory? Well, the Elliott Wave Theory is a method of analyzing market prices based on the idea that market movements follow predictable patterns known as waves. Okay, so in a typical trend, prices move in 5 waves. All right, in a typical trend, prices move in 5 waves. Okay, in the direction of the trend, obviously, followed by 3 corrective waves that go against the trend. All right. One, two, three, 4, 5. Okay. So these wave patterns are found in all markets, including stocks, Forex, and commodities. And understanding them allows you to anticipate where prices are likely to move next. Okay, so let us just break it down further. In Elliott Wave Theory, there are 2 primary types of waves. Okay, we have the impulse waves and the corrective waves. Now, the impulse waves are waves 1, 3, and 5. Okay, these are the strong momentum driven waves in the direction of the trend. All right, they indicate that buyers or sellers are driving the market forward. In the case of a buy trend, it means that buyers are driving the prices forward. In the case of a sell trend, it's going to mean that sellers, it's going to mean that sellers are driving the price forward. This case, buyers are driving it upward. In the case of a sell trend, buyers are going to be driving the prices downward. Then we have the corrective waves. The corrective waves are waves 2 and waves 4. So these waves go against the prevailing trend. As you can see, the prevailing trend here is a bullish trend. So waves 1, 3, and 5 are in the direction of the prevailing trend. They are the impulse waves, while the corrective waves are waves 2 and 4 that go against the prevailing trend. So they are typically smaller and less aggressive, but they correct the market's movement before the next impulse wave kicks in. Okay, so this was an impulse wave and a corrective, an impulse and a corrective, and an impulse. So by identifying these waves, you can predict the next market move with greater accuracy. Now, the key to mastering Elliott Wave Theory is learning how to count the waves. When you look at a price chart, you would want to identify the different waves and their patterns. Yeah. So for the first wave, the wave 1, this is the first impulse wave, and it is usually the hardest to identify as it is just the beginning of the trend. So obviously, you might not know if a trend is starting. That's the reason why wave 1 is usually the hardest to identify. But then wave 2 is the first corrective wave. It retraces part of wave 1, but does not go lower than the start of wave 1. So as we can see, this was where wave 1 started, right? And then this was where wave 2 ended. So wave 2 usually does not retrace all the way to where wave 1 started. It usually ends at some point. All right? It does not go lower than the start of wave 1. And then wave 3 is typically the strongest impulse wave. You will notice that wave 3 is usually the longest and the strongest. So it is when the trend really begins to gain momentum. And then wave 4 is just the corrective wave that usually does not retrace more than 50% of wave 3. So you will notice now that wave 3 ended somewhere around here, and then wave 4 you can see ended somewhere around here. So usually on normal basis, right, on normal basis, wave 4 does not retrace more than 50% of wave 3. So you can see this is how long wave 3 was, and you can see that wave 4 did not retrace more than 50% of wave 3. Okay, so it often presents a good buying opportunity. This is a good buying opportunity. All right. Then wave 5 is the final impulse wave before the market enters a corrective phase. So wave 5 is now the final. Once wave 5 completes, we could actually have a trend reversal after that, or significant retracement. Okay. Now, learning to count these waves in real time is what gives traders an edge in predicting future price movements. Okay. Now, let us talk about how price action works with Elliott waves. Price action refers to the movement of price over time, and it is a powerful tool when combined with wave analysis. Okay. For example, if you are in a bullish trend and you see a strong breakout in wave 3, you can use the price action to confirm that the market is still in a strong uptrend, and you look for the next opportunity to enter a trade. All right. So understanding price action helps you recognize when a wave is likely to continue or reverse, giving you the confidence to make informed trading decisions. Okay. Finally, let us just quickly talk about practical tips for beginners looking to start trading with Elliott waves. Okay, just look at some practical tips. Yeah. So first of all, start with the basics. Okay, do not rush into trading Elliott waves. You have to begin by practicing with simple charts and identifying basic wave patterns. Okay, and then ensure you use multiple time frames. Try to analyze multiple time frames. For example, you can identify larger wave patterns on the daily, on the daily chart, and then you look for entry points maybe on the 1 hour or even 15-minute chart. Get your entry point, your precise entry point. And also ensure that you use support and resistance. Identify key support and resistance levels, to help you confirm your wave counts. Make sure you identify key support and resistance levels on your chart, all right, to help you confirm your wave counts. Okay, so that is important to confirm your wave counts. All right. Now, the most important thing is to be patient. Is to be patient. Okay, is to be patient. Elliott wave analysis takes time to master, but once you've got it, it can give you a huge edge in the market. All right. So that is a wrap on this Elliott Wave Price Action course. If you are ready to get started with wave trading and use these powerful techniques to predict price movements, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more tutorials and strategies. Have any questions or want to share your experiences with Elliott Wave trading? Drop them in the comments below. Let us talk about how you are using Elliott Wave Theory in your trading journey. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.